I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what a deployment system must do and why each part matters. You note the canopy, lines, container, and a safe release method. These are the functional elements. Once done, evaluate the operating envelope, altitude, payload mass, and speed determine choices. Make sure to prioritize safety and compliance. Consult regulations, use certified materials where required, and plan tests in a controlled area with proper personal protective equipment. Now you translate requirements into design principles. You determine canopy sizing for target descent rate and stability, and you consider how drag interacts with payload shape. Next, make sure load paths are evenly distributed via attachment points and routed lines. Redundancy reduces single-point failures. Then, define a deployment sequence and include fail-safes plus instrumentation for telemetry and test logging. Once you have the plan, review it with an experienced engineer before any physical trials. To finish, you run staged tests that progress from ground checks to low-altitude trials, validating timing and opening behavior with instrumentation. Make incremental adjustments based on measured data. Fine-tune canopy sizing, line lengths, or release timing, and repeat tests. If deployment is intermittent, inspect connectors, electrical contacts, and redundant trigger paths for corrosion or poor seating. Replace suspect components and retest. Remember, don't proceed to higher-risk trials until each stage meets clear, documented safety criteria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.